Welcome to GSL GM City 1720 Boat Trail Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're doing a quick walk around video on the brand new 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Trail Boss LT. Now that Trail Boss LT is powered by a 6.2 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Trail Boss Silverado here, we have the power windows, power mirrors, power locks, drivability dial for the different modes of the truck, push button 4x4 with their fog lights, in-bed lighting, and automatic headlights. We have a leather wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control as well as audio controls on the opposite side with the black bow tie in the center. Column shifter with manual gearing, push button ignition. We do have a large 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Wi-Fi hotspot all in there. Dual zone climate control with heated front seats. We have parking sensors, enable and disable. Same with the auto stop start feature in the trucks. You do have an integrated trailer braking system, USB charging ports, as well as your outlet there. You do have the dual glove box with locking bottom, Bose audio equipment throughout, and then our black leather heated seats in the front of the Chevrolet Trail Boss. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the truck here, we do have the 18-inch wheel and tire package, all black rims with the Goodyear Wrangler Autotrac all-terrain tires, blacked out door handles, window trim, mirror caps as well. Remote start equipped on the truck, Z71 badging. We do have the factory 2-inch lift kit up front as well, giving you that larger stance on the Trail Bosses. Blacked out front bumper with parking sensors, signature red tow hook, Z71 badging, fog lamps, and LED daytime running lamps. You do have the 6.2 on the hood as well. Coming to the rear of the truck, rear tinted privacy windows, Trail Boss decal on the box, LED tail lamps, parking sensors, dual chrome exhaust tips, and trailer tow hitch all at the rear of the truck. Taking a quick look at the interior here, we have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats here are car seat ready. We have the in-seat storage as well as that 60/40 split locking up into position with under-seat storage. Lots of room on the ground if you need it there. Pops right back down, locked into position. We have the rear sliding window with defrost lines, extra headroom over top, some lighting, single pane sunroof, and USB charging ports in the rear of the center console. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2021 Chevrolet Trail Boss. If this is your next factory lifted V8 crew cab pickup truck, come and see us here at GSL GM City or shop online at gslgmcity.com.